Imagine a world where 9 out of 10 businesses use artificial intelligence tools in their operations. That's not a scene from a futuristic movie, but a reality we're heading towards, according to a recent study by McKinsey. The AI revolution is here, and it's transforming the way we live and work. Today we're going to delve into 3 of the top AI tools that are making waves in the tech world: ChatGPT by OpenAI, Google's Bard, and Microsoft's Bing AI. ChatGPT, launched by OpenAI in June 2020, is a powerful language model that generates text remarkably similar to human dialogue. This invaluable tool has become instrumental for AI of tasks, ranging from drafting emails to generating code. One of the exceptional features of ChatGPT that sets it apart is its unprecedented versatility. Imagine having a virtual assistant eagerly waiting to assist you with virtually any task. Despite its capabilities, it is without its flaws. Occasionally, ChatGPT generates outputs that may seem plausible but are incorrect or nonsensical. Here's an interesting fact. During its development, the model was trained on a dataset of 45 terabytes, of a testament to the enormous scale of machine learning. And in practice, millions of people use ChatGPT every month to generate creative content, solve complex problems, and even to learn new. However, as with any tool, a human touch is needed for it to reach its full potential. Remember, it's a tool, and like any tool, it thrives when utilized with a human touch. Coming up next, we have Google's Bard, released on June 2020. This AI tool is designed with the capability to generate human-like conversations. Particularly useful for developing chatbots or virtual assistants, Bard was developed over a period of 2 years with a team of leading AI engineers. With Bard, Google marked a significant milestone in the journey of AI and machine learning. It's a unique strength of Bard lies in its ability to grasp context, making conversations appear more natural. However, Bard has its limitations. For instance, it tends to overgeneralize from the input it's given, which can sometimes result in inaccurate or unhelpful responses. Despite this, Bard has been used by over 1,000 businesses globally to drive customer interaction, making it a cornerstone in the realm of AI communication. Lastly, we shift our focus to Microsoft's Bing AI. Launched on June 1, 2009, this sophisticated tool is primarily known for searches, providing results that are both relevant and personalized. The prowess of Bing AI lies in its unique ability to learn and adapt. It perpetually refines its algorithms based on user interactions. Yet the efficiency of Bing AI is still largely dependent on the quality of the data it processes. As the adage goes, garbage in, garbage out. Bing AI's development involved a team of more than 1,000 engineers working over 3 years, marking a significant commitment by Microsoft to challenge the monopoly of Google. In terms of usage, Bing AI is interestingly used by many major tech corporations, including Facebook and Apple's Siri, as a backbone for their search functionalities. The ongoing development and utilization of Bing AI in ever-evolving tech landscapes pay testament to its robustness and versatility. All these AI tools have their strengths and weaknesses. It's not about which tool is the best, but which tool is the best for your specific needs. So before you choose, ask yourself, what problem are you trying to solve? What tasks do you need assistance with? The right tool can make all the difference. Now that we've given you a rundown of these AI tools, it's your turn to explore. Remember, the future of AI is in your hands. Before we wrap up, we want to remind you to hit that like button if you found this video useful. Share it with your friends who might be interested in AI, and don't forget to subscribe to Insight Fusion for more tech insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these AI tools, so drop us a comment below. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.